Welcome back to the channel where this mama is just living and learning. Inspired by the best, I will be attempting one of Chef Gordon Ramsay's simple dishes. Let me further emphasize, I am going to attempt one of his Asian-inspired rice noodle dishes. So let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, so we're going to take our rice noodles, place in a bowl of hot water, and let sit for 12 to 15 minutes. Simple, right? Would you say I am starting off strong in my noodle placement technique? Something made so simple, I just complicated, literally. Well, this is Annaise Shades. I can't cook, but I try. Simple ingredients used: chicken breast, garlic, young broccoli. I butterflied the chicken breast and sliced everything. Adding olive oil, placing chicken in when hot. I started adding the garlic in once I saw that the chicken breast was starting to brown. Okay, so in the next clip, you will start seeing when I become an amateur. How much salt am I gonna put? Usually they say a dash of salt, right? Why in the world would I put that much in this setting? Then after I went in with pepper, but it wasn't as nearly as much pepper as I needed to balance out the salt. I must say, it is looking pretty delicious. Okay, let's think about this. After adding the broccoli, I'm now adding soy sauce. Isn't soy sauce salt? Salt on salt on salt? Oh my goodness. This dish is gonna be salty. But it looks so good. To bring the dish together, Gordon Ramsay takes 2 eggs and whisks them together. He says to lightly season the eggs, but I forgot. So, after adding the noodles, guess what bright idea I had? To add more salt. I mean, someone please help me because this is a bit ridiculous. And the only thing I can say is, wow. Kind of embarrassing, but the amount of pepper that I'm using is not nearly enough to suffice the amount of salt that is in this dish, and it's very disappointing because it looks delicious. To finish, I am topping with lime juice. I must say the dish wasn't horrible, but it was very salty. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.